Vectorpea is a new project from creator of Photopea. As you may know already, Photopea is one of the best alternatives to Photoshop that will run for free directly in your web browser. So right now, this vector software, it's supposed to be an alternative to Adobe Illustrator, same way the Photopea is Adobe Photoshop. But it's not yet there right now. Vectorpea is more like a Photopea with the raster editing tools taken away. So let me show you how you can use the pen tool in Vectorpea. So let's start a brand new project, and interface is way easier than Photopea. So we got only vector editing tools, but not that many just yet. But the pen tool is over here. Pen tool is one of the most powerful tools because thanks to that we can draw any shape we need in our vector illustration. So select the pen tool on the left, and then if you're going to click, those points you are creating will be connected with the curve vector line, and this line is perfectly straight. The good news about vector graphics is we can always modify the color. Even we already draw the shape, I can very easily put a new color in by using this fill property at the top. There's also a property for the outline around the shape. You can kick this out completely if you don't need the outline. Alright, what if you need a curvy lines? You can still use pen tool and then simply click and hold, and while you are still holding the mouse button, you will be able to curve this line as you need. Let's say you draw a shape, but it's not perfect. You want to make some adjustments, some fixes. We can do it as well. Take a look. Just above pen tool, there's direct selection tool that allows us to move those points, make changes to how curvy they are, or even delete them by clicking the delete button. Just keep in mind it will break the shape. And now there is open shape. So open shape, it's still fine, but you cannot really fill it with color nicely. We can close the shape back using pen tool. Alright, sometimes you want to just draw a line. We can use pen tool as well. If you want to make a line, be sure you get rid of the fill color here by using the transparency. Here's the line, and then of course we can do a perfectly straight lines using this as the line tool. You can hold shift so we're sure it's straight, and if I click somewhere the line will continue. So if you don't want to do that, just click escape or switch to different tool like move tool for example, and you are done using pen tool. Alright, there's also a special version of pen tool called free pen, and this one is way easier to use because you can just simply draw it with your hand. It's way easier to predict how the line will be, but it's a bit less powerful because we cannot decide precisely on the placement of those nodes. As you can see, those nodes are added by the program. So I still recommend to take your time and learn the pen tool. When you click, you got straight lines. When you click and hold, you can make them curvy. As I mentioned, this is just early beta of Vectorpea. Let's hope it will be a great vector editing software in the future, similar to Photopea. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. I will see you in the next one.